there, this is Ogota Gerald and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to be showing us how to add a slider to your website. So we have this hero right here, but I would prefer to have a sliding picture. This picture will display, another one will display, another one will display. So that is what I'm going to activate right now. So stick with me in this class and let's get this done. So the first thing to do now, if you want to achieve that, is go to your back end. So we'll go to our back end, which is your website name /wp-admin. So what we're going to activate now is the plugin. So I'll just click on plugin right now. There are different sliders you can use to achieve this. For this tutorial, we're going to be using Smart Slider 3. So to do that now, we'll just click on install. Okay, so it's installed. We'll click on activate. We've activated it. So we'll look for it right here, Smart Slider. Okay, here you go. So we're going to click on it right now. So when you've installed it and activated it, you just search for it somewhere here. You're going to see it here. So we're going to click on it and go to the dashboard to set it. So you can watch this quick video to understand how it works better, but I'm still going to guide you on that. So let's just go straight to dashboard. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is what we have here. There are already existing sliders which you can actually pick from and edit, but we're going to be creating a new one from scratch. So let's click on new project. You can start with the template like I told you. So let's see template available. So these are slider templates available which you can pick from. These are slider templates available which you can pick from. They are free and you have a lot of them here. You can see this is 81, but we're going to be using a very simple one just not to waste time on this. So let's import this one here. Let's import this. So let's just quickly close this. Okay, so you can see our slider has been imported. Our slider has been imported. So now this is where we're going to work on this slider. So you can click on this to edit it, and you can click on this plus here to add more sliders. So we're going to edit it individually. So you can see it right here. You can see it right here. You can edit anything at all in this particular design, and you can also move this to one side or move it here according to the section you're editing. So this is to edit the heading, this is to edit body text, this is to change or bring in image, this is to add a button, and this one here is to add a row. So to edit this quickly, let's click on sports. We can change it to maybe tech. So you can see right here, change this now to tech. You can see, then this is change it to maybe G6 global. Then right here you say think, create, redefine. So it could just be anything. It could just be anything. All of this you can just edit it and delete it completely. So here where you have this button, when you click on this button, this will be the label of the button. Maybe this might just be register. This might just be register. Or you can just be anything. This can be, so what I'm just trying to say, you can edit it. So this place now where you have register, there's a button here which says link. So this link is the place, that the destination whereby this button is going to take the person to if they click on it. So if I want this register to take you to my DM, I can quickly add the link. So let me just copy a link here, just a random link. Let me just take this link for example, then bring it back here and paste the link here. I'm going to paste the link here now and save this. So when I go to my front end, you can see it has been saved. So when I go to the front end and anyone that clicks this link is going to automatically take them to that link destination. So that's how you can add a link to your page. So all this here, I said that before, you can edit it. This icon here, you can change it. You can see it here. Just click on this plus button, you can add a new icon right there. So the next thing I want to change now is this image, the image in the background. So let me click on this now. So this is the background. If you want to change the background, you click on these three dots here, then you can change the background image. Select the image you want from your media library or your computer. Anywhere you have any image at all, you can just replace that with it. So let me look for a random picture I'll just use. So let's say I'm working with this. So let me click on it and select. So you can see the picture in the background. You can see the background is showing here. This is this DNK. Then if I want to change this particular image here of this man holding this, I can just delete this one, then click on this plus button and bring in my own image. Let me bring in this image, then select. So you can see the image right there. You can also adjust it by dragging it closer and dropping it. But these things work with containers. They work with containers. So with this now, you can edit any section of this particular slider. When you want to see what it looks like on a mobile phone, you can just come to this top side here and click on this. So this is what it's going to look like on your phone. Let's go back to the desktop view. This is what it's going to look like on your tablet. You can see it. Then this is what it's going to look like on your desktop or laptop. So that's how you edit a particular slider. When you're done, you click on the save button and you can click here to edit the other sliders. You can click here to edit the other sliders. So you can click here now to add a new slide to this. So once you're done, you save. So the next thing I'm going to be showing us now is how to bring the slider to your website. This is the slider right here. So now to bring it to your website, there's this short code you can use to bring it to your website. So this is the code right here. This is the short code. We're going to click on it and just copy it and paste it on wherever you want it to appear on your website. So let's go to our website right now. So this is our home page. Usually slider usually appears on the top side of our website. So we're going to be uploading it right now. Let's edit page. Let's edit this page with Elementor. To put your slider on your website, you're going to choose a section where you want to have it. If you want to have it in between here, you click on this plus icon here and create a section there. But usually we have sliders on top of the page. So we're going to create one section here quickly and then we'll move it. You tap on this plus icon, then you select this one here. So in this box here now, you're going to click on this plus icon. When you click on this plus icon, you're going to come to this side and pick what type of function you want to embed there. So what we're going to look for now is short code. You can just type short code here to search. So this is it. You're going to drag it and drop it inside there. So once it's there, you then click here and paste that short code which we've copied from the previous page. Then we're going to apply it. So here you go. You can see our slider right here. So let's make this full screen so you can see it. Because we won't be needing this anymore, we're going to delete it. We're going to delete this hero over here. So our slider becomes our main item there. So you can now update this. You can update it right now. So you can see the rest of the website. So let's go to our front end and see what the website looks like. Wow. So you can see fast and easy. Fast and easy. This is our slider. You can see it's switching. When you click on this, it's going to switch. When you click on this, it's going to switch. And all these are completely editable. So when you just leave the slide, it's meant to even switch on its own. So for all the slides, you can just put in your content, put in your picture, put any necessary information you have. If your company is into different things, if it's into oil and gas, if it's into fashion, if it's into real estate, you can just have different slides to display different things you do. Then on this button, you can just put to know more about our real estate, you click on this button. To watch a video on this, you click on this. If you want to know more, maybe on the next slide, you say to know more about our fashion brand, you click here. To see our videos or maybe watch our YouTube videos or see our Instagram page, you click here. So this is completely editable. So that's how you add your slider to your website. So if you got value from this, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video.